The Buffalo and Erie County Naval and Military Park, located right on the waterfront in downtown Buffalo, New York, is a standout destination for history buffs, families, and tourists looking for a unique and immersive experience. The Buffalo Naval Park is the largest inland naval park in the United States, and it's home to 3 massive decommissioned U.S. Navy vessels that you can explore. The first is the USS Little Rock, a guided missile cruiser, the only one of its kind in existence. Next is the USS The Sullivans, a Fletcher-class World War II destroyer named after 5 brothers who tragically died in World War II. Then there's the USS Croaker, a World War II-era submarine where you can squeeze through tight passageways and peek through the periscope. Once inside, you'll walk the decks, descend into the engine rooms, and view everything from sailors' bunks to missile launch systems. The ships are packed with restored rooms and authentic gear, giving you a true sense of what life was like on board. There are also museums within the ships as well. There's exhibits on World War II, the Korean War, Vietnam War, and more, with military uniforms, medals, and personal items. There is also a POW MIA exhibit and a Women in Service section. Situated along Buffalo's Canalside district, the park is surrounded by restaurants, bike trails, a carousel, paddle boats, and waterfront events, so you can easily make a full-day visit here. Make sure you wear good shoes. There's a lot of ladders and steep steps. Bring plenty of water too. Parts of the ship get warm in the summer. And take your time. You could easily spend 1 to 2 hours on each ship exploring every detail. The Buffalo Naval Park is a hidden gem that combines military history, hands-on exploration, and a prime location on Buffalo's revitalization of the waterfront. Whether you're a veteran, a student, or just curious, it's a powerful and memorable stop. Because of the size of this naval park, I have broken up the visit into 3 parts to reflect each ship. You can find those videos here as well. Thank you for joining me today, and subscribe so that way you don't miss any future videos. Thank you and take care.